Okay, we're at my parents' house, coming to pick up Yuka. He's being babysat today. I wanted to show you guys how adorable he is when we show up. Because he's in love and he's like, oh my god, you're here! And it's so cute. So, here we go. There he is! Hi, Yuka! Happy puppy noises. Hi, Yuka! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Yeah, hi, baby! Over here, hi, baby! Yeah. And him grabbing onto me is not biting. Now, if he was biting, I would correct him, but he is not. This is mouthing. It's important to him, especially high contents. It's a form of communication, and he's saying he's happy. He's happy to see me.